After writing some code, do you ever need to provide when did you write the code or when did you modify the code? Who was the author of the code? What are the hardwares that you use to write that code? What version of Python packages do you use? Then the Python package that I'm going to explain in this video is what you need. Let's explore. As it provides all the information about the code, hence the thumbnail watermark as a code. Now let's go and see how we can install. As normally we can install this using the pip. We can say pip install watermark. Let's install the package first. After installing the package, as this is the Ipython extension, let's say that we load the extension because we first need to load the extension in the notebook because this package works on Ipython and Jupyter notebooks. We need to load the extension first, and now it's loaded. How to use the watermark package? Let's first see what are the arguments available here. So you see it says that Ipython magic function to print date, time, stamps and various system information. So here you can see we can provide different arguments for this particular watermark Python package. Let's say that we need to know what is the version of this watermark Python package. We can just type percentage watermark and dash dash watermark, or you can just type dash w, which also gives you the current version of watermark as it is mentioned in the documentation here. Now let's see the default behavior. What is the default behavior of this package? Once you load the extension, you can just type %watermark and it shows you last updated and it gives you the date. It gives the Python implementation CPython and the version of the Python as well as Ipython. And it also gives you some system information. For example, the OS we are using is Linux and the release version is this, machine, processor, CPU cores, architecture and all these things. Mostly if you are training machine learning models or something similar, you need to provide what hardware or software you use to train the model, right? So this package comes in handy in those scenarios mainly, but it can be used in any kind of scenarios. Now we just want to see last updated date and time. What we can do is, as always, %watermark, and you can provide -u, -t and -d. If you want to know more information, as I showed here before, you can go through this documentation and see what each of those arguments does. But let's just provide this information, then it will, okay, last updated, and the date is different than what you see here because the formatting is different. And you can even, without this different dash dash, you can just provide it into single dash and it gives the same. Let's say that you just want to have -u and -n only without this date here. It just provides you last updated and Saturday, March 18, 2023. Now you know this basic information, but you want to know who wrote this code, right? So you can provide the author name. Watermark -u -n -a. A refers to author, and I provided my name. Now it will show us the author is my name and last updated is Saturday, March 18, 2023. Let's say that we want to also give the GitHub username. I can just provide the GitHub username and it says, okay, author, GitHub, and so on. So this is that simple to use. And as I said before, if you just want to have the Python versions and Ipython versions and which Python, what is the Python implementation, you can just pass -v and it does the work for us. Now let's just say we want to have machine information. It's just machine and it gives us the machine information. But what I prefer mainly is combining all these things together. And this is where it gives my name as author, last updated when I updated that, and all the information about Python and Ipython and the system information. So this is really good package to provide all this information. And the good part of this is, let's say that we imported some package. Let's say we import these the things that I mentioned here. I import NumPy, Pandas, sklearn, and Matplotlib. Now I want to know the versions of this, right? So mainly I see many people using this kind of print statement and providing the package and with __ version. But with this package, it's with one line of code, and you can just pass watermark dash IV, then it will provide you exactly the same information. So this is that simple. Instead of using all these things, you can just provide just one line. You can argue that it's this simple. Why should I use the third party package? I can just print, right? Let's imagine you have many packages installed for your project, then it will be handy and it will just show you what it is being imported in that particular notebook. But let's say that you want to just provide some package names without the ones that is being imported. You can just provide watermark dash vmp, whatever you want there, and provide the name of the packages already here, so that it just provides the information of that only. Let's say that I don't want to have information about sklearn. I can just provide this and it's gone. This is how you can use inside Jupyter Notebook or Ipython. Now let's say that you don't want to use the extension and you just want to install the package and use the watermark package inside your Python code. You can also do that. Let's refresh the kernel so that all the variables are gone. And now if I run percentage watermark IV, it says that line magic function watermark not found because we haven't loaded the package. Now let's say that we want to import numpy as np, pandas as pd, and we also import the watermark package dot watermark as watermark. And if we provide I versions equals to true and globals underscore equal to global, then it will provide us the information of the pandas or numpy or the package that we imported. So you don't need to load the extension. This is how it works. I would like to thank Sebastian Raska for creating this really helpful Python package. Thank you again, Sebastian. This is really helpful package. Now you know how to use watermark in your code, and it's kind of having watermark in the code as normal watermark does is it says that this code belongs to you, right? Now with this package, you can say that, okay, this code belongs to me because I have all the informations provided in the notebook itself. I hope you find some helpful information or some insights out of this video. If yes, like and subscribe and let me know in the comment section what kind of video you want to see in the future. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.